Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 365 horse 1965 Corvette Numbers Matching. Beautiful restoration on this thing. Of course, this blue is just popping, looking sweet. We cannot keep a blue car here, guys, so this one will be gone quick. She is a beauty. You can see that all the chrome has been redone. It's looking sweet. The grille itself's in great shape. I mean, everything about this car is sweet. Now, we're gonna put it up on the lift so you can see the bottom. We're gonna get it out and drive it. We're gonna pop the hood. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Corvette investment. This thing is absolutely beautiful. And check out that blue interior, also looking sweet. Now, we do have both tops for this car, and if you want to check out pictures of it with both tops on, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll have several pictures of the hard top, the soft top, the whole 9 yards. She is looking beautiful. Gorgeous car right here, guys. As she goes around here, you can see that the chrome on the back end looks just as nice as the chrome out front. You can see the finishes on the paint are phenomenal, looking straight. She's a beauty. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you all about this car. We're going to get it up on the lift so he can answer all your questions. And you're watching us on YouTube right now, so if you'd like to subscribe to our channel, hit that button right up there and hit the little bell button so we can send you a notification every time we get a new car in. All right, let's take our 65 Vette for a ride. 365 horse. Super cool. Beautiful blue. She is one gorgeous machine. I said earlier, we do have the hard top. It does have the soft top, but it's beautiful out today, and we're going for a drive in the convertible, baby. She is a sweetheart, too. And we can deliver it anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you exactly how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. Guy with the Jeep can't stop looking at us. Everybody cranks their head around checking these babies out. We can also help you out with financing. Just call Tom, he will hook you up with the banker. You can either do it on the phone or you can do it online at vanguardmotorsales.com. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button and then hit that little bell button right next to it, and you'll get a notification every time we get a new car in. As you can see down here on the dash, everything looks brand new. It is beautiful. 1965 look right there, baby. Let's see. Even the radio's playing. Isn't that cool? Now, we're very close to the airport here in Detroit, so if you'd like to come in and you need to fly, you can actually fly in, no problem. It's only 20 minutes away. And there's a hotel right there at the airport if you need to spend the night. But I tell you what, there's enough flights in and out. A lot of guys can fly in the morning, fly right back out that evening. Now we're about to do something that nobody does to every car in inventory. At Vanguard, we put every car in inventory on the lift so you can see exactly what your dream's gonna look like when we park it in your driveway. Now we have 2 locations here at Vanguard. We have our main shop right here, then about a mile away, we have our storage facility. So make sure you give us a call, let us know you're coming, so we can have your favorite car right up front where you can get at it real nice and easy. Now stick with us, we're gonna put this one in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this 65 Vette now, and you can see she is beautiful. Bare fiberglass right there, baby. There is a spare tire in there. She's beautiful. You can see this exhaust looks brand new. The spring pack's been rebuilt. It's got the isolators in there. The rear end housing does look like it's date code correct. All those numbers check out. Right around the 373 gear, and of course it is posi. You can see bare fiberglass here. Also on the floorboards, looking good. The frame is all nicely coated and painted. You guys know we always check out this area of the frame on every Vette. This is the first spot you got to look on everything. Trailing arms look like they've been all restored. Shocks look like they're new. Drive shaft's been restored, looking good. It's got some paint on it. Transmission is numbers matching also. Bell housing also looks correct. Original clutch linkage, of course. Everything on this thing. Look at the paint job on that panel right there. Just beautiful. This is the bottom of the car. I forgive you, but, or I forgive us, because you're gonna have to put mirrors underneath this car to show off just how nice the bottom side is. And then here's this 365 horse, numbers matching 327 up front. Ball joints look like they've been replaced. Everything up here that should be bare metal looks like it's got the bare metal paint on it, which is very cool. The shocks look like they've been replaced. Sway bar bushings look good. I mean, the paint work right down to the bottom edge here is looking good. The chrome on the bottom side of the bumper looks good too. It's got great looking tires. These are 775 by 15s on some good looking rims here. Now we do have the little dealio here that everybody's looking for, the little shoulder here. So these do look like original wheels. Hey Tommy, what's going on? I'm in the middle of video. Can I help you real quick? All right, I'm gonna call Tommy back. Okay, out back here again, these wheels are in beautiful shape here, looking sweet. You can see up in that wheel well there, also looking beautiful. You can see where the frame's all painted up, the wheel well's all blacked out, looking good. Paint work right down to the bottom edge here, also looks good. Now let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got 327 power making 365 horsepower. This baby's numbers matching and rare. And check out the carburetor here. It's got the list number's 2818-1 right up here. And that is one rare Corvette carburetor right there, guys. She is sweet. Now you can see it's got fan clutch on it. It's got the big pulley on the alternator here. It's got all the numbers stamped up here on top of the alternator. The radiator's in great shape. It's got the upper control arms. You can see they're all cleaned up, looking good. You can see a brand new shock sticking through there. The master looks correct for the car. I mean, just everything under the hood of this thing is absolutely beautiful. It's even got a battery here. It looks like the old-fashioned batteries. Super cool, man. This is one sweet, rare machine right here, guys. She's a 65, 365 horse, beautiful color. Give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.